For multimedia, the tablet comes with a default audio player, which is common in many Xperia devices. This is the movies application. Now you can see the video video are arranged in the form of thumbnail view, and along with this you have two more options available where you have a video unlimited feature which works on Wi-Fi. This feature work through SEN, which is Sony Entertainment Network, where you have some set of free programs available on this service. It is free to use. There's a device options also available where you can connect to a PC, a shared storage on your network, or you can connect to a DLNS server, etc. You can see whatever file shared on a PC, it appears in the devices section, and you have to tap on the default things. It works on Wi-Fi, so you required a good bandwidth here to play all the videos here. You can also access your media server through this. So this movie application is just not limited to play videos. It offers you additional things. In the same way, for audio, Sony has repeated the Walkman application, which is by default available in many Xperia devices. In the same way, we get the movie application. The Walkman application offers you better audio experience. You can see you have a visualizer options available here where you can add a different kind of effects on the screen while playing audio. Also, under settings, we have a clear audio option available. When you tap on this, the audio output is bit improved. This works really great when you're having a good set of headphones. And also the sound enhancement option, which is also only enabled when you have connected a headphone. It does not work on speaker. We'll just go with a sample audio file, and we'll see what is the maximum volume we are getting on this. You can see the audio quality is really great. The speakers are well placed at the corner where you can have a proper audio output. Also, when you tap on My Music section, you can see additional things. The application is not only capable of playing music, but when you go in My Music section, you can see it also display the images here. These are all audio art. You have a different option available here, like Sense Me channel. Now this Sense Me channel is a Sony service that gives you some set of free options, like these are like visualization. There's a Music Unlimited application also available that works through a web browser. This application works in association with Sony Entertainment Network that gives you a set of free programs, channels, album, etc. You have a friend music section available where you can connect different similar devices and share the same kind of music on every device. And as I showed you before in the movie, we have a separate section available for accessing media server or for accessing files which are shared on a LAN network and which are accessible through this application also. So this is working on a Wi-Fi. Now we will check out the gallery application where we can see all the photos which are in this tablet. You can see there is an album available. You have to tap on it and you can see all the photos which are available in the form of thumbnail view along with videos. You can create separate folders and you can keep the photos separately. There are more additional option available here. You can see we have an sharing option available where you can simply share the photo with directly on Facebook. You can go to the additional setting menu at the top right side and you have a different different type of options here, like throw. When you tap on this, you can simply throw this same screen on a HD TV or on any other different device which has support for this. You can play a SenseMe slideshow where you can add different images, you can add frames, and you can also add a music, and you can watch all your photos sitting behind. We'll play a sample slideshow here and we'll see what is the output. This is SenseMe slideshow, which is really impressive in watching all the images. The same image application also provide you an image editor. You have to tap on edit photo and you have to select photo editor, which is the internal application. Now here in this you can adjust a different side of different type of lighting option, like you can simply tap on highlight. You can increase the brightness, contrast, etc. You can simply enhance the shadow, the darkness of this image. There is an effects option available which gives you ready to use option like cross process. You can apply the effects instantly. In the same way, there are more settings available here under the third category. You can see, while the last one is to crop the images, you can adjust the red eye. You can enhance the face here. You can adjust the image. You can manage the image straightness. You can make it more straight. You can rotate it. You can flip it, etc. So the internal image editor application allow you to do a number of different things. You can not only view the images, but you can also edit them. You can play a slideshow through them. For movies, you have a movie editing application also available, which is called as Movie Studio. You can simply create a project here. You can add a set of different videos in the same project, and you can play them together. Does not provide you a very advanced feature, but it offers you a set of different simple options to play or merge different multiple videos together. You can control the playback from this section. So this was the multimedia application which are available in Sony Xperia Tablet Z.